Fujifilm appears to be gearing up for one of the most eagerly awaited releases in the world of rangefinder-style cameras, the Fujifilm X-Pro 4. After years of anticipation, the leaks surrounding this next-generation model have begun to converge, painting a remarkably consistent picture that is hard to ignore. From a potential 40-megapixel APS-C X-trans sensor to in-body image stabilization, a redesigned hybrid viewfinder, and next-generation autofocus, the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 promises to be a major step forward from the X-Pro 3. If these rumors are accurate and Fujifilm delivers the X-Pro 4 this year, it could significantly redefine the landscape of premium street and documentary photography, offering enthusiasts and professionals a camera that balances classic rangefinder styling with modern imaging performance. The most prominent and widely reported leak revolves around the sensor. Multiple sources suggest that the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 will feature a 40-megapixel APS-C X-trans CMOS sensor, likely related to the same generation found in the Fujifilm X100V successor and Fujifilm X-E5. This represents a substantial jump from the 26-megapixel sensor used in the X-Pro 3, offering significant advantages for photographers who rely on Fujifilm's compact prime lenses. Higher resolution is particularly relevant in the context of the X-Pro series because its users often prioritize discrete, street-ready lenses like 23mm, 35mm, and 50mm primes. A 40-megapixel sensor would allow tighter cropping without losing detail, enhance portraiture, and produce cleaner landscapes, all while maintaining the APS-C format without needing to step up to the larger, more expensive GFX medium format system. Beyond sheer resolution, an important question is whether Fujifilm will pair this sensor with a completely new image pipeline or integrate it into the classic Pro Series body, a decision that could impact color processing, noise handling, and overall performance. Another significant rumor is the inclusion of in-body image stabilization. The X-Pro 3 notably skipped this feature, a decision that divided the Fujifilm community. IBIS has become increasingly essential for handheld photography, especially when using small aperture street primes in low-light conditions. If the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 incorporates a modern stabilization system, photographers can expect meaningful improvements in handheld night shooting, long exposure work, and video capture. The addition of IBIS could transform the X-Pro 4 from a minor refresh into a genuine generational leap, significantly broadening its creative capabilities for stills and video alike. Equally crucial to the X-Pro lineage is the hybrid viewfinder, which combines optical and electronic elements. The X-Pro 3 introduced a unique optical viewfinder with switchable magnification and an electronic overlay, but rumors indicate that Fujifilm is planning a major redesign for the X-Pro 4. Leaks suggest a larger, brighter electronic display with higher refresh rates, improved parallax correction, and enhanced focusing aids. These refinements could dramatically improve both speed and accuracy for photographers working in fast-paced environments, such as street, documentary, and event photography. A better hybrid viewfinder would help ensure that Fujifilm maintains its reputation for combining traditional rangefinder aesthetics with modern digital convenience. Autofocus is another area where the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 is expected to make a significant leap. With the X Processor 5 already powering cameras like the X-H2S and X100V successor, Fujifilm has dramatically improved subject detection speed and accuracy. Rumors suggest the X-Pro 4 could include advanced face and eye tracking, vehicle and animal recognition, and improved continuous autofocus, transforming it into a far more capable professional tool. While the X-Pro 3 was beloved for its design and tactile feel, it lagged behind modern flagship cameras in terms of autofocus speed and responsiveness. With the rumored upgrades, the X-Pro 4 could offer a camera that looks analog and retro while performing like a modern flagship. Video capabilities remain a point of speculation. Some leaks suggest that Fujifilm will maintain a photography-first approach, offering basic 4K recording at 60 frames per second with 10-bit color, keeping the video functionality sufficient for casual work but not encroaching on cinema-class devices. Other sources speculate that Fujifilm may introduce stronger internal codecs and even external RAW output through HDMI, though expectations remain tempered given the X-Pro series' traditional focus on still photography. Even with modest video features, however, the combination of IBIS, improved sensor performance, and next-generation autofocus would still make the X-Pro 4 an attractive hybrid tool for photographers who occasionally need high-quality video capture. Design-wise, leaks and concept renders indicate several refinements. The grip may be slightly larger to improve handling, while the rear screen could move away from the hidden flip design of the X-Pro 3, opting instead for a more conventional tilt or fixed panel. The top plate may feature improved weather sealing and durability, with some rumors even suggesting the return of titanium for the upper body, though this remains unconfirmed. While articulating screens are always a possibility, many Fujifilm photographers prefer the simplicity and reliability of tilt-only or fixed panels for street and documentary shooting. These subtle ergonomic improvements, combined with weather protection and material upgrades, signal Fujifilm's commitment to blending functionality with the classic rangefinder aesthetic. Timing remains one of the biggest mysteries surrounding the X-Pro 4. Some sources suggest a late-year release, while others point to early next year. What is clear, however, is that Fujifilm remains committed to the X-Pro line and intends for the next model to be a significant upgrade rather than a minor iteration. Interviews with company representatives have emphasized that the X-Pro series is not being discontinued and that the next generation will address long-standing user requests for better resolution, stabilization, and autofocus performance. If these leaks and rumors hold true, the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 could emerge as the most important APS-C camera launch of the year. Classic rangefinder styling, an enhanced hybrid optical electronic viewfinder, a high-resolution 40-megapixel sensor, in-body image stabilization, next-generation autofocus, and improved low-light performance would all combine to make it a true successor worthy of the X-Pro name. For photographers who value discrete form factors, tactile controls, and optical viewfinder versatility, the X-Pro 4 promises to offer a modern imaging experience without abandoning the series' design philosophy. Beyond the technical improvements, the X-Pro 4 also represents an opportunity for Fujifilm to reinforce its position in the premium street and documentary photography market. The combination of increased resolution and IBIS makes handheld shooting in challenging light much more practical, while the redesigned hybrid viewfinder ensures that the shooting experience remains immediate and intuitive. Autofocus upgrades would expand the camera's usability in professional scenarios where speed and accuracy are essential, while the potential for stronger video features adds another layer of versatility for hybrid shooters. The rumored sensor upgrade is particularly noteworthy because it directly addresses the evolving needs of Fujifilm photographers. Many X-Pro users rely on prime lenses with compact, fast designs optimized for street and reportage work. A 40-megapixel APS-C sensor not only enhances detail capture but also enables tighter cropping, more precise portrait work, and improved landscape imagery. This allows photographers to maintain the advantages of the APS-C format without sacrificing resolution, keeping the system both portable and powerful. In-body image stabilization, long requested by the Fujifilm community, would complement these improvements by enabling steady handheld shooting in a variety of conditions. Low-light photographers, street shooters, and travel documentarians would benefit the most, gaining the ability to work with slower shutter speeds without sacrificing sharpness. Even modest improvements in video stabilization would elevate the X-Pro 4's capabilities for hybrid shooters who want occasional video coverage without investing in larger, more complex camera systems. Ultimately, the Fujifilm X-Pro 4 has the potential to be a landmark release for the APS-C format. With a high-resolution sensor, in-body image stabilization, redesigned hybrid viewfinder, advanced autofocus, improved ergonomics, and thoughtful design enhancements, it represents a serious evolution over the X-Pro 3. If Fujifilm can deliver on these rumors, the X-Pro 4 could become the definitive street and documentary camera of its generation, appealing to both longtime Fujifilm users and new photographers looking for a premium, versatile APS-C system.